Meme coins, some love them, some laugh at them, but everyone talks about them. From Dogecoin to Shiba Inu to Pepe and countless others, meme coins have exploded in popularity. But here's the big question. Can meme coins ever become real money? Let's explore. First, what exactly is a meme coin? A cryptocurrency born out of internet culture, usually inspired by a joke, a meme, or a trend. Dogecoin, for example, started as a joke in 2013, but today, it's worth billions. Meme coins are fun, relatable, and easy to share. That's why they go viral so quickly. But does virality equal real money? That's the debate. Money, in simple terms, has three roles: store of value, medium of exchange, unit of account. For meme coins to become money, they must check these boxes. So, do they? Let's start with store of value. Bitcoin is called digital gold. People hold it because it's scarce and secure. Meme coins, on the other hand, often have huge supplies. Trillions, sometimes quadrillions of tokens. That makes them volatile and less stable. Hard to be a reliable store of value. Now, medium of exchange. Can meme coins be used to pay for things? Surprisingly, yes. Dogecoin is accepted by some businesses. Even Tesla lets you buy merchandise with Dogecoin. Some online stores accept Shiba Inu. Meme coins do move money around, but not on a massive scale. Still, this shows potential. Third, unit of account. This is tricky. You don't see salaries paid in Dogecoin. You don't see prices listed in Shiba Inu. Meme coins mostly get converted back to dollars or Bitcoin. That limits their function as true money. But here's the twist. Meme coins are not just about utility. They're about culture. Community is their backbone. Dogecoin has the Doge Army. Shiba Inu has the Shiba Army. Communities give these coins value. People use them because others use them. And that's how money works too. Think about it. Paper money is just paper. It has value because we agree it does. Same logic can apply to meme coins. If enough people agree, it becomes valuable. But challenges remain. Extreme volatility scares investors. Pump and dump cycles are common. Regulation is uncertain. Some governments see meme coins as speculation, not money. Security is another issue. Many meme coins are created overnight. Some vanish just as fast. Still, meme coins have unique strengths. They spread faster than serious projects. They attract new users into crypto. They make finance fun. And sometimes, fun is powerful. Elon Musk himself tweets about Dogecoin. Each time, the market reacts. That shows cultural power. Culture shapes adoption. Adoption creates value. Quit. Meme coins evolve. Yes, developers are adding utility to Shiba Inu. Dogecoin community is working on faster payments. If utility increases, trust grows. And with trust, real-world use follows. Will meme coins replace the US dollar? Probably not anytime soon, but will they play a role in the digital economy? Definitely yes. Meme coins prove one thing. Money is not just about numbers, it's about belief, about community, about shared culture, and meme coins have all of that. So, can meme coins ever become real money? Maybe not fully, but in the world of digital culture, they already are.